Well, hello again, folks. Albert and Newfie back here again. Same day. It's in the afternoon now. But I was just out for a bit on a big open field here on the back of our house. There's a big field on the back of our house. I was out for a bit with the drone. It's hard to get out sometimes because they used to say in the States, Chicago, Windy City. Well, guess what? Alberta, Windy City, Lloydminster, I should say, because there's different parts, cities and towns in Alberta. But I live in Lloydminster, Alberta, and I'm going to call Lloydminster, Alberta, Windy City. Yeah. So anyhow, I did get out with my drone for a bit, and I'm still not a pro. Like some guys out there I see, they make it look so good. But I'm still working on it, still practicing. I would get more times with my drone if we didn't get the wind so often. Maybe I'm going to change my pattern instead of waiting until in the afternoon. Go out in the morning, because it seems like when I go for my walks in the morning, it's very calm. Hardly a breeze of wind. So maybe I'm going to change that and start using my drone in the mornings when there's no wind. Because when it gets windy, you can't use your drone, because the wind will take the drone and move it. And like once there, I almost lost the drone, but I found it again. So anyway, I'm not a pro like some people at using the drone yet. Like I say, if I could get more days with no wind, I could get more practice. You know what the saying says? Practice makes perfect. So I would certainly be able to do a lot better. But anyhow, guys, I do have a couple of videos or something there of the drone. I will put that on with my YouTube video that I'm doing here now. And I hope you enjoyed a little bit of video and stuff I have with the drone. Like I say, I'm still learning. I've had it now for maybe 3 months or so. But I'm still working on, I still need to practice. I'm a bit leery of sometimes putting it forward, because it could go right on a long ways and wouldn't be able to stop it. So I'm still learning the forward and backward. There's 2 areas on the remote control for the drone. So I'm still working at that. Still need practice. I can get it up in the here and get it down. No problem. I got that down pat. I can make a circle. I can stop it and look at certain areas. But I just need to practice on my going forward and reverse. And like I say, if we can get, maybe I'm going to start on my days off again, or when I get a chance to go out with my drone, maybe I'm going to switch instead of wait until later in the day and go in the morning when there's no wind. Folks, seems like that's the thing around here. In the morning, flat, calm, not a breeze of wind, nothing. And the afternoon seems like the winds picks up. So anyhow, I hope you enjoy a little bit of video that I have with the drone. And yeah, like I said, I'm not a pro. I'm working on it. If I can get some days with wind, maybe I'll do a little bit better. So anyhow, that's all I have to say right now. Hope you enjoy it. Take care. God bless.